Hi besties, you are welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, I welcome you to my channel. Everyone is welcome to this channel. And in case you don't know my name is Rachel, and I would like to know where you're watching this video from. Yeah, you can write it in the comment section. And I'm glad I want to share this video series I titled Make It Yourself. Yeah, MIY. I know we all are familiar with DIY, which is do it yourself. Yeah, but I titled this particular series, yes, the MIY, sorry, and it's Make It Yourself. And this video to be a tutorial to those who are interested in hair making. So if you want to make your hair, maybe for yourself or maybe for anyone, or you are interested generally in hair making, this video series is for you. Yeah, there'll be a lot of videos in this series about hair making. Yeah, all you just need to do is to sit back and watch this video, and then for sure I know it will help you in the process of learning. Yeah, and you will learn how to, things I'll be teaching in these videos, but in different sections of video, different parts of videos, how to section your hair, or how to part your hair, how to line the hairs, because when you don't know how to line hairs, then absolutely your hair will not come out, beautiful. Yes, so this is one thing that as a hairstylist or someone who makes hair, you must know how to part hair, how to section hair, whatever you want to call it, is very, very important in hair making. How to section your hair, and also how you can start a weave. There are some weave that are very loose when someone makes it, when it's being made, and then it doesn't give a good look after making. Yeah, so this is the gripping of the hair, how you can grip hair very not strong. When you grip the hair too strong, of course headache and all sorts of pain could come with it, but a good grip would give you a good look or a good appearance of hair. Yeah, and if you're a beginner, either you have little knowledge or you have no knowledge at all, this is a video for you. Yeah, we need to start. I'm starting this video from the scratch, like to help those with no knowledge at all to be able to know what to do. Yeah, as a beginner in hair making. Yes, so if you're a beginner, you are really, really welcome. And this is not just for beginners alone, because after in subsequent videos you're going to see, that's when we've advanced from the beginner level to the expert or professional level. You're going to see the professional aspect also, but then we need to start from the little. And also, basically, I'd want the main aim I'd started this series is for people who had love to make their hair themselves. Yeah, because I make a lot of videos making my hair myself. It doesn't just start in a day. It's current practicing, doing it all the time. That's how you get used to it. Yeah, so this video is for you if you want to learn how to make your hair yourself. Although you might be using a dummy or whatever you have at first, but later we'll get to using the head. Like one's head, my head, after some videos, when we get to the advanced level, and then we'll go ahead. Yeah. And I want to say, you don't just watch, especially if you're a beginner, you don't just watch the video, but try to practice. Yeah, I'm making this video to help individual, like a tutorial. It's a tutorial, not even like it's a tutorial to teach people who wants to learn how to make hair. Yeah, so it's either you have a dummy head or mannequin, I don't know what you call it, or you use an extension for single braids, like 3-strand braid like this. Yeah, so if you have any reservations or questions after watching each sections of the video, each series of the video, you can drop the comments in the comment section. And of course, this series will be long because hair making is not one or two things. Yeah, there are a lot of things embedded in it. Yeah, so I'll be teaching you a lot of things in this video. A lot of things, I mean a lot of things. So you just need to stay tuned and watch. Yes, you just need to stay tuned and watch. And also don't forget that you need to subscribe to the channel. Yes, so that you can get notifications, and of course whenever I drop a video, you'll be able to get notifications whenever I drop a video. Yes, subscribe. You should like, share, because you need to share this. You don't know who around you needs this particular video, but when you share, of course somebody gets to see it and then join to also watch with you. Yeah, so comment, share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, thank you, and I'm sure very soon, in few weeks, yeah, or in few times, you're going to thank me also for dropping these videos or for doing these videos, you know. Yeah, so this particular video I'm making 3 strands braids, and then the first one is a box braid. Yeah, and this other one is the triangular or triangle braids. Yeah, so these are different patterns. Like I said, patterns or sectioning or lining is more important in hair making, because that's what gives the beauty to the hair, of course. Yeah, thank you, and stay tuned for more videos. Catch ya and see ya in the next one. Bye.